Our Father in heaven above, your name is holy, still I whisper it in love. In the silence where my fears all stay, I feel your kingdom come a little closer today. Let your will fall like rain, even when I don't understand the pain. Give me today just enough light, bread for the hunger, strength for the night, and forgive me the weight that I hold as I let go of the debts I've been told. Lead me away from the edge of the fall. Deliver me when the shadows call. Yours is the glory, forever I'll say Amen. Amen. I've been wandering through doubt and blame, but your mercy still calls my name. And I've carried what I should have released, but your grace says even the broken find peace. So your will, not my own, even when I feel so alone. Give me today just enough light, bread for the hunger, strength for the night, and forgive me the chains that I wear as I loosen every silent prayer. Lead me away from the edge of the fall. Deliver me when the darkness calls. Yours is the power, I'm learning to trust. Amen. For the kingdom and the power and the glory are yours, even here, even now, even when I fall. Give me today just enough light, bread for the hunger, strength for the fight, and forgive me, I'm trying to change, learning mercy in the middle of pain. Lead me away from the edge Hymen.